Welcome to the channel where we transform project evaluation into strategic decisions for success. Today we will learn how to analyze PV plus BESS projects to ensure their viability and profitability. The image shows the pillars of a solar project evaluation: technical feasibility, economic profitability, and long-term sustainability. This comprehensive assessment allows us to identify the strengths and risks of the project, ensuring well-founded decisions align with strategic objectives. This image details key technical criteria, such as solar resource analysis, BESS capacity and life cycles, and system integration with the grid. The location of the project determines the available solar irradiance, which is critical for forecasting annual power generation. In addition, assessing the compatibility of the BESS with the grid ensures efficient operation. Tools such as PV BESS allow modeling system performance and anticipating potential technical challenges. This technical assessment is crucial to ensure that the project can meet its generation and storage goals efficiently. This image illustrates the main economic indicators. CAPEX, OPEX, IRR, and NPV. CAPEX includes the initial investment in panels, BESS systems, and civil works, while OPEX includes maintenance and operation. Analyzing these costs together with the projected cash flows allows identifying the break-even point and financial viability. IRR and NPV are key indicators to assess whether the project will generate net benefits over its useful life. Projects that are well evaluated financially achieve an attractive return for investors, guaranteeing long-term profitability. This image highlights key permits and regulations to ensure regulatory compliance for the project. Complying with grid connection requirements, such as those set by RE in Spain or REN in Portugal, is essential to avoid delays and ensure system operation. Safety regulations, such as IEC 62933, ensure that operational risks, such as overheating, are controlled. This assessment regulates the operation of the project, avoiding penalties and ensuring smooth integration with the power grid. In this image, we see the sustainability criteria, such as environmental impact, contribution to the energy transition, and relationship with the local community. Waste management, the use of recyclable materials, and the reduction of CO2 emissions are essential to ensure the sustainability of the project. In addition, involving the local community in the development of the project improves its social acceptance and strengthens its long-term success. Sustainable projects are not only cost-effective, but also contribute significantly to the global energy transition. Today we have discussed how to assess the technical, economic, regulatory, and sustainable viability of PV plus BESS projects. These criteria are essential to ensure their success and maximize profitability. If you want to apply these criteria to your projects and ensure their success, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultancy. We will design tailor-made strategies to optimize every aspect of your project and start building the future of renewable energy today.